Good morning, students. Hope that by the grace of Almighty, all of you are fine.
My dear students, today I want to solve the following math. The math is there are some information of Prime Company Limited, such as cash টাকা 3000, accounts receivable টাকা 7000, closing stock টাকা 42500, bills receivable টাকা 5000, ফার্নিচার টাকা 7500, মেশিনারিজ টাকা 87,500, গুডউইল টাকা 10,000, শেয়ার ক্যাপিটাল টাকা 2 লাখ, জেনারেল রিজার্ভ টাকা 10,000, ব্যালেন্স অফ রিটেইনড আর্নিংস টাকা 7,500, 10% ডিবেঞ্চার টাকা 50,000, অ্যাকাউন্টস পেয়েবল টাকা 14,000, ব্যাঙ্ক ওভারড্রাফট টাকা 3,500 and notes payable টাকা 2,500. Okay, dear students, now you are required to calculate requirement A, current ratio and quick ratio. Requirement B, working capital and current capital ratio. My dear students, just follow here. Working capital, not working capital ratio. Okay, dear students. Now, requirement C, debt equity ratio and return on capital employed ratio. Okay, dear students. Now, let's go to solve the math. My dear students, at first, requirement A1, that is current ratio. Formula is current assets divided current liabilities. But in the question there is no mention total current assets and total current liabilities. So at first we should calculate total current assets and total current liabilities. Okay, dear students. So here now total current assets is equal to bills receivable plus closing stock plus accounts receivable plus cash in hand. That is 5,000 টাকা plus 42,500 টাকা plus 7,000 টাকা plus 3,000 টাকা. That is total current assets 57,500 টাকা. Now total current liabilities. Formula is accounts payable plus bank overdraft plus notes payable, that is 14,000 টাকা plus 3,500 টাকা plus 2,500 টাকা, that is total current liabilities 20,000 টাকা. Okay, dear students. Now total current assets 57,500 টাকা divided total current liabilities 20,000 টাকা, that is 2.88:1. My dear students, just mind it. When in formula remains into 100, then you should write down percentage after result. Okay, and when in requirement remains turnover, then you should write down times after result. Okay, dear students, otherwise you should give is to 1 after result. Okay, thank you. Now requirement A2, that is quick ratio. Formula is liquid assets divided current liabilities, but in the question there is no liquid assets, so we should calculate at first liquid assets. Okay, dear student. So here liquid assets is equal to current assets minus closing stock, that is 57,500 টাকা minus closing stock 42,500 টাকা, that is total liquid assets টাকা 15,000. Okay, so now liquid assets 15,000 টাকা divided current liabilities 20,000 টাকা, that is 0.75:1. Okay, dear students, this is the solution of requirement A. My dear students, now requirement B1, working capital. Formula is total current assets minus total current liabilities, that is 57,500 টাকা minus 20,000 টাকা, that is 37,500 টাকা. Okay, dear students, now requirement B2, that is working capital ratio or current capital ratio. Formula is working capital divided current liabilities, that is working capital 37,500 টাকা divided current liabilities 20,000 টাকা, that is 1.88:1. Okay, dear student, this is the solution of requirement B. Now requirement C1, that is debt equity ratio. Formula is external liabilities divided owner's equity fund, but in the question there is no mention total external liabilities or total owner's equity fund. So at first we should calculate total external liabilities and owner's equity fund. Okay, dear student, so here total external liabilities is equal to current liabilities plus debenture, that is total current liabilities 20,000 টাকা plus debenture 50,000 টাকা, that is total 70,000 টাকা, and total owners equity fund is equal to share capital plus reserve plus retained earnings, that is 2 lakh টাকা plus 10,000 টাকা plus 7,500 টাকা, that is 2,17,500 টাকা. Okay, dear student, this is the solution of requirement C1. Dear students, now requirement C2, that is return on capital employed ratio. Formula is net profit after tax plus interest divided capital employed into 100, but in the question there is no mention interest and capital employed amount. Okay, so at first we should calculate interest and capital employed amount. So here interest is equal to debenture 50,000 টাকা into 10%, that is 5,000 টাকা, and capital employed is equal to owner's equity fund plus debenture, that is owner's equity fund 2,17,500 টাকা plus long term liabilities, that is debenture 50,000 টাকা, that is 2,67,500 টাকা. Okay, dear students, now net profit after tax 7,500 টাকা plus interest 5,000 টাকা divided capital employed 2,67,500 টাকা into 100, that is 4.67%. Okay, dear student, This is the solution of requirement C2. Thank you so much.